Yo. It's good, son.
Goddamn.
It's good, son.
Fucking birds.
Fucking birds. We're at my house.
Nigga!
We're outside my house.
Let me get one out.
Dude, you're not getting one
If
of
they
my
fly
birds.
away, would she notice?
Yeah, she would notice, dude. They're my mom's.
Is she her favorite animal or something?
No, no, dude. She just wanted birds. Some shit like that. They're quail.
Quail. Let me think. What is a quail?
That's a quail right there.
Where the
nigga.
fuck do you find these? Do they fly around and shit?
Yeah, dude. We found them at a flea market, though.
Can you find these on the street?
Yeah. On the
like
black
they'll be
one.
flying around and shit?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Oh, you just dropped this shit, nigga.
Oh, you
Fuck.
You dookie.
Right in front of me. I would smack the fuck out of you. Do I shit in front of you? No. No, I don't.
Fucking Tyler retarded us.
I bet you'd all die.
What the fuck, dude? That was random. Well, Home Alone got nothing to do.